Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file Form 1 SBR. First, let's clarify that Form 1 is used to register a short-barreled rifle, or SBR, under the National Firearms Act. E-filing through the ATF e-form system offers a streamlined and often faster approval process compared to traditional paper submissions. We'll cover everything from preparing your application to final submission, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each step. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Before you even log into the eForms portal, thorough preparation is key. You'll need to collect all your personal identifying information, along with precise details about the firearm you intend to make into an SBR. This includes the manufacturer, model, caliber, and serial number. Additionally, you must secure 2 passport-style photographs and 2 sets of fingerprints, typically on an FD 258 card, which will be mailed separately after e-filing.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Quick recommendation. If you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book that offers clear, actionable advice for financial independence. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Once prepared, head to the ATF eForms website. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. After logging in, select the Form 1 application. Carefully input all your personal and firearm information into the designated fields. Double-check every entry for accuracy, as errors can cause significant delays or even rejection. Pay close attention to the responsible person questionnaire and ensure all questions are answered truthfully and completely. After reviewing your application for any potential errors, you'll proceed to pay the $200 tax stamp fee directly through the eForm system using a credit or debit card. Once payment is confirmed, you can submit your Form 1. Remember to mail your fingerprint cards promptly. Processing times can vary, but eForm 1 submissions are generally much faster than paper applications, often taking several weeks to a few months for approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.